It's our third stop for today's tour. Dito tayo ngayon sa coffee plantation. Dito pa rin sa Bali, Indonesia. Ito mga ka-Jams, ang ganda ng sasakyan na to. Vintage Volkswagen. Ang ganda. Kanina pa ako. Ang daming kong nakikitang ganito. Open siya. But focus tayo dito sa coffee plantation nila. Ayan ang dami nilang ganun. Yan, may puti, dalawa doon, green at orange. Dito na tayo, pasok tayo dito sa coffee plantation. Oh, may ano sila? Tarsier? Muna ginakaon niya tapos muna i-broad nila. Oo. What do you call that animal?
Mango stick. This one is luwak.
Luwak.
Yeah, look.
They are the one eating the
produce the coffee.
Coffee.
Yes,
Then after that they
just going out, and then we put the poo, collect the poo, and then they fried it. They roasted it.
Roasted. And then make it a coffee.
Make it, after that you drink the coffee, giving you power. Yeah.
Powerful
don't
coffee.
forget to try ginseng coffee.
Ginseng coffee.
Yeah, Papa strong, Mama happy.
Really?
Papa strong.
Okay. Yeah,
Papa strong.
don't forget to drink ginseng coffee. What do I say just now? Papa strong,
Papa strong,
Mama happy.
Mama happy. That's good. Oh yun, ang dami po sa ilang pulo. Are, passion fruit.
Yeah, that's right. This is passion fruit.
Yeah,
this is coffee.
The coffee.
Arabica, Robusta.
So we can see the animals here.
Arabica, yes, we have Arabica. There's an animal here. This is ginseng. You have to drink this one later. Remember what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Papa strong.
Yeah.
Papa strong and
Mama screaming.
make mommy happy. Mommy happy.
Happiness.
No fun man, familiar siya.
This is Bisol.
Bisaya rin, Bisol. Pero may arami sa Pilipinas ni.
It's also called Palawan. No man.
Ginseng, no? Ginseng, bro. Pero may arami sa Pilipinas, di ba?
This is vanilla.
Call me.
Manila.
Yeah, vanilla. Yeah, but this is still young. Vanilla, the one who was waiting for the flower. After flower,
Yan, the one.
after pollination, that's coffee the
Yan ang ano nila. Gusto ko makita yan.
This is ginseng.
Singkarong.
We call coffee. Good for stamina.
American
Yeah, for men. Yeah. We call honeymoon coffee.
Honeymoon coffee. Make Papa strong daw, Papa strong.
Honeymoon coffee daw.
Hindi na itsab daw, malupot. Nang pangalan ko naman.
Hindi na kaya, lain na. Lain na. Lain.
Masarap yan kang sigaw.
Ano gawa? Wala.
Hindi na malupot.
Lain to yan.
Honeymoon coffee niya. Baka hindi naman sa honeymoon coffee. Baka hindi coffee.
But there is a certain acidity Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Don't worry. Yes, yeah. Yeah, that's the coffee.
Sigara window. Sigara window.
Only one just for the show because prevention we use the wild animal, not in the kids like this. That's not good for animal. Yeah, the animal is like a popular animal.
Singarong.
Oo, yun yung tawag doon.
Singarong.
May cut ni siya?
Nangangain.
Ano yung tawag nila nga dito sa atin ngayon?
Coffee is very expensive.
Ayan siya. Oh.
Coffee means taking some fruit as well, like banana or papaya.